You don't know flex to the complex, is it? So peeps, over the years I've come to realize that dancehall fan base is twofold. It's either persons are off very high intelligence or them just dumb. There's no middle ground. You understand what I say? Now, case in point, I saw where dancehall artist and Gully squad member FLEXX uploaded a picture on his Instagram account over the weekend advertising eggs. Say him have egg for sale and leave him number and them delivering them something. You understand? Many persons saw that as an opportunity for troll FLEXX. You understand? Was he promoting somebody else's business or was he promoting his business? It don't matter. See, the fact is the man same have a sell. People are gonna say, yo, big dancehall artist. FLEXX is not really a big dancehall artist per se. But what if the man sell egg? I say Damien Crawford, big old politician, I say liquid egg is a business. You understand what I say? But some people mind just shallow and their thinking is just so limited. Mavado Gully side member now selling eggs. Dancehall fans react. A member of Mavado's Gully side camp found out the hard way how dancehall fans can be savage over the weekend. Recording artist FLEXX in the complex was trolled on social media over the weekend after he revealed that he is now selling eggs. Fresh eggs for sale. The stepping razor captioned a photo of his beautiful eggs straight off the farm. He continued before adding his contact number and stating they do delivery. Unfortunately, his new business venture was plagued by social media users who left negative comments. FLEXX, me can't believe the Gully God have you in a them condition. One user wrote, Jano, Gully too rich for you sell egg rasta. Another added, FLEXX also received comments lauding his efforts. People. So unsurprisingly, many persons started to make it about Mavado and started to make it about dancehall caps. You understand? Man, I'm gonna say, yo, Vado too rich, FLEXX sell egg. FLEXX is one big man. Mavado is not FLEXX father. Yes, Mavado probably could have done a little bit more to help FLEXX musically, but we have had that discussion and that is not the topic here. You understand? The fact is, the man decides say, he's gonna do something, whether a film business or not, he's gonna upload it. So these were some of the responses that the post got on Instagram. You want the same number? Egg them look good. This is what FLEXX gone to laugh out loud. FLEXX, me can't believe the Gully God have been a them condition. Jano, big artist FLEXX select. No sir, what is? See? Some of the comments, you know, we can't go really read all of them because you don't know where to go. What you say? Gully egg, you all the shipment. Let me know. Them eggs they look fly. Visa need to run. See? Will it work? See me? Have a nigga own a farm, sell egg. And me to hotel and supermarket and a BMW the man a drive out. You see me? See, this is somebody else a laugh. How much for a dozen? Give Frado, make him sell them a foreign for you. Gully too rich, oh, we read what they already. See, this is money I tell some man about all sort of things. You understand? We don't really want to get into that. And next money I say, more than likely he's promoting someone's else business on this platform. So people calm down. And if it so happens to be his business, what's wrong with that? Me don't know neither, me general. Antoinette's a beautiful. See? Somebody else here say, if your farm sell your eggs, 90% of people eat egg. Export there and business can grow. These dumbass broke illiterate and nowhere got people are full of shit. How stupid you people are. That is why crime's so bad down there. If you're telling people who are not book smart to farm, they wouldn't be killing you guys every day. You people will never come out of poverty. And your mind will always be in a box, being manipulated into every and anything. Interesting comment that one. Let me read one last couple of few and something. They would rather praise him if him sell drugs and weapons. True that, you understand? I know, right, shape mate, they need to worry about the Chinese, them will come by off down there. Soon they won't have shit. This is sweet. Sad people are always going to eat and happy people. Keep up the grind. Makes sense. It's just eggs. Laugh my effing ass off. Some people sell guns. Really got me angry reading these replies. Me too. Good business. Do it. Have a friend in Jamaica rich now. That is filthy rich from egg business. I mean, Damien Crawford that sell liquid egg. Look at that. Good business. Bless up on entrepreneurship. That is progress. Better than sit down waiting on some waste man. Up move, mad. Some stupid Gaza fans where them a do here. So when Gully make some money, the waste boy them can chat every flex. Money at the topic, man. For rich than future and breezy. You understand? Interested. Progress. Major key Gully side youths are business minded people, while the Gaza youths them love to rob, rape and kill people. That is why cartel is in number 2 cell. A dead few uncle Gully side for life. Man, them have to put in that in. Boy, me I tell you. Last comment. It is sad that doing something positive gets such ridicule. It is even sadder that he is reposting someone's business to support them, and people don't even stop to see the business name in the upper left corner.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 beat and teach.
So it became apparent to me that some persons would have been more comfortable if FLEXX was selling drugs or selling guns or doing some form of illegal activity then. You understand? Instead of trying to make an honest living. I mean, some of the wealthiest persons in Jamaica are farm owners. You understand what I mean? As a matter of fact, one of my dreams is to have a pig farm, to rear pig supply most of the hotels them for the North Coast and supermarkets and jerk centers. You understand me? I said, does that make me any less of a person? No, because they're going to make me have more money. So if you want to criticize that, oh, teach them a raise pig. I wish me have a pig pen when me have about 500 to 1,000 pig at any one time. So if FLEXX was advertising for somebody, fine. If it was his business, I respect that. Because here's a man where realize that you go on. The thing bigger than just a one thing, and I am probably not the artist person of the music business, and probably the money when I want to make out of the music, I don't make it. So I'm going to try my hand at something else. Many artists buy bus and taxi put on the road. The man decides I'm going to invest in some eggs. What is wrong with that? FLEXX, or your head at Christmas time and all, baking like crazy, you understand? So the egg sale are going to turn up. You see me and if I hear a thing, keep your head down. Now listen to people, brother. Because enough of them are running on social media and criticize them. I'm hungry too. You understand what I say? That is the thing, and them broke. And here's a man where I try, if I film thing, make an honest living, and people are criticizing man. That's the problem we face in the country here. You understand what I say? And people, learn to live your life for yourself. You can't live your life for people, because no matter what you do in life, people are going to criticize you. You understand? People are going to belittle you, and people are going to find all manner of evil to say about you when you try to uplift yourself or elevate yourself. See, if you make mouth and talking and lipping get to you, you're going to always up on a level, because them always want you to remain below them, you know. You understand what I say? So FLEXX, go and do your thing. Christmas season, egg up and gunning. You understand what I say? If I hear business, power stay my general. See? So I just that. People, when you find something to do, when them people they will have negativity when people are trying to elevate themselves. When you go look at work now, when you go find something sensible, you know. My God, peeps.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.